this video, we're going to demonstrate the pricing company preferences. Let's go to File, Preferences, Company Preferences, and we'll go down to the pricing. This section is for the default price. You use this section to change your default pricing. In a multi-store installation, you may want to use price levels to create different pricing for each location. Change the default pricing to the appropriate price level that corresponds to the store. In the price level section, you can change the name of the 4 additional price levels and the standard markdown percentage. By default, the standard markdown level for all price levels is set at 10%. Therefore, a best practice recommendation is to edit both the price level names and markdown percentages before setting up items. Keep in mind, if you want to mark a price level up from your regular price, you would then enter a negative markdown. Then the last section is a price tag code that will represent each of the numbers. Use the price tag code template to print price tags that will display the code you created for the cost and the last received date. This is useful if the sales clerk wants to know the cost of an item to be able to offer a discount if asked. Once you have your pricing set the way that you want, then you would save and close. And that concludes our video for the pricing company preferences.